Hi friends, I'm back with a product that's just too good not to share. This one caught my attention, and I think it'll catch yours too. Let's start with its design. It's bold, stylish, and just stunning to look at. But the real surprise? The price. It's super budget friendly for something this well designed and versatile. You can use it anywhere, in your workspace, as part of your home decor, or even as a unique gift. It's practical, elegant, and fits seamlessly into any setting. Check out the full details in the description.